Rotating your tires can help them last longer and wear out evenly. To get started, first engage the emergency brake to ensure your vehicle doesn't slide around. Then, remove the hubcaps and loosen the bolts on each tire without removing them completely. Next, use a jack to lift one side of your vehicle off of the ground so it's high enough to slide two jack stands underneath. Repeat this process on the other side to raise your vehicle completely off of the ground. Check the pattern on your tires to find out if they're directional or non-directional. If the grooves on your tires lead away from the center of your vehicle, they are directional, which means that they need to stay on the same side when you rotate them. In that case, loosen the nuts all the way and swap the driver's side front tire with the driver's side rear tire. Do the same thing on the opposite side of your vehicle. If the grooves on your tires are uniform and don't lead away from the center, that means your tires are non-directional. In that case, remove all of the tires. Put the driver's side front tire on the rear of the passenger's side. Move the passenger side front tire to the back of the driver's side. Then, take the rear tires on each side and put them on the front of the same side. Either way, screw the bolts part way back in after you rotate the tires. Use a jack to brace your vehicle and slide the jack stands out. Do this on both sides, then tighten the bolts all the way with your vehicle on the ground. Finally, replace the hubcaps. Depending on your make and model, your tires should be rotated every 3,000 to 5,000 miles.